Hello, my name is Mary Slaughter, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the reference tab in order to create a bibliography. I already have a sample report on the screen. It's not complete. I'm going to click on References up at the top, and then I'm going to click on Manage Sources. If you look at this current list that's over here to the right hand side, those are sources that have already been referenced somewhere in the paper. What's over here on the left hand side are sources that I've used for other things that I've written, and so they're not actually in this paper. Now, I'm using Word 2013 to demonstrate this. Basically, if you're using Word 2010, it works the same. I want to add another source to this reference list. The way I do that is I click on New, and then I choose the type of source that it is. Well, this is actually a book, so I'm going to select Book. I'm going to type in the author's name. I'm going to type in the title of the book. I am going to type in the year the book was published. I'm going to type in the city. I'm typing in as much information as I possibly can. Now I'm going to show all of the fields by clicking this little box here so that I can then put in the state, and then I'm going to put in the publisher. Whoops. And I want to put in here somewhere that it is the first edition, so I'm going to scan down. Somewhere in here there's a choice for edition. Here it is. I want to say this is the first edition. If I want to type in any comments or fill in any of these other sections, I can also do that. But I fill in as much information as I possibly can under where it says Create Source. And then I click OK. And it says the tag name is not unique. A unique tag name is needed for each source. That must be because I've used this tag name again. So I'm going to come down here and type this in. So now this is sourced over here. You see it right here. I'm going to close this. Now I want to actually add a bibliography to this paper. I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom of the paper. And on the very last page, I'm going to come back up here to the References section. I'm going to select Bibliography, click the down arrow. I could choose Bibliography, References, Works Cited. I'm going to call it a bibliography. And what it does is it automatically will format that bibliography the way it's supposed to be formatted based on what I have chosen up here to call it. I've chosen MLA 7th edition. Now if I changed it to APA 6th edition, watch what happens. It changed because the way you format a bibliography is different in APA format than it is in MLA. I'm going to change it back to MLA 7th edition and watch what happens. It changes. So that's the end of this video.